Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about cybersecurity. Today's topic includes the definition, the subjects, the duration, the employment, affordable countries, best universities, income, books, free courses, and paid courses. Definition: cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. It involves everything that applies to protecting our system from theft and damage. Subjects you need to focus in high school in order to pursue a career in cybersecurity: math, physics, and ICT. You can also do other school programs that your school offer, which involves computer and coding. The duration: a cybersecurity degree takes up to 3 to 4 years, a master takes 1 to 2 years, and a PhD takes 3 to 5 years. And of course, this depends on the country and the university you're studying in. The employment rate: cybersecurity is expected to grow 37% from 2012 to 2022. Which means that the job demand for cybersecurity will increase substantially. The income usually starts at $74,700 up until $150,000 or more. Of course, this also depends on the country and the place you're working. It also depends if either you have a degree, a master's, or a PhD, and the years of experience. The affordable countries to study in: one is Estonia, which is 6,000 euros per year for 3 years. That's the average price for the whole country. Malaysia, which is $7,400 per year for 4 years. That's the highest tuition fee. And US, which is $6,000 per year for 4 years. That's the lowest tuition fee, and it goes up from there. Best universities: George Institute of Technology, which is located in the US, the Abertay University, which is located in the UK, and University of Winnipeg, which is located in Canada. The tuition ranges from $20,000 to $70,000 per year. Now, these are recommended books if you want to start learning a little bit about cybersecurity. One is called the Cybersecurity Beginner's Guide, and the other one is called the Cybersecurity for Dummies. Of course, you can find them link in the description if you want to buy it. These are the free online courses I would recommend to start if you are interested in learning cybersecurity. One is the US Department of Homeland Security. This is a government-owned course. This is open security training. Second one. The third one is Cybrary, and the fourth one is Heimdall Security. The paid online courses are one Open University, Udemy, Coursera, and FutureLearn. All of these are paid courses, And of course, the differences between the paid courses and the online courses are: you usually get a certificate for the paid courses and is a well-known course, which means it can help you in the future if you want to apply for a job. Thanks for watching, and if you are on it, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.